Welcome back to our three-part series on what depth of answer you need in every ACCA question. And today's video, we're looking at the higher depths, and you need to go into more depth if you get given these sorts of verbs. And the first verb I want to look at is analysis. So if you ask to get to analyse something, you have to go and look at the individual parts and then think, what do they imply? So if X increases, what will happen is Y will decrease, whatever it might be. So you break the whole scenario down into individual parts and you say what the effect of those things are. Now you may get asked to evaluate or to assess, and that's like a discussion question where you're doing the pros and cons. But with evaluate and assess, you're also looking at what's the significance of these different parts, what's the most significant pro or the most significant con, and so you're using your judgment all the time. Now, you may get asked to advise in the exam. That's very common, isn't it? Now, if you get advised, that's a real high-level verb, and what you've got to do is say, right, looking at everything, this is my decision. But not only that, you also say, what are the reasons for my decision and how do I go about implementing that decision? Okay, that wraps up the final video in this series. This was looking at the higher level depth of answers you needed. In the other videos, we've looked at the lower levels of depth and the medium levels of depth. As always, good luck in your exam.